Hey guys, jimmypikachuchoi here, and it's only been a few days since my last video, but I'm actually going to cut a couple of my Korean squashes right now, and there's a Daikon Radish that's grown enough that I'm curious to see how it'll look when I pull it out, so we're going to do that today. Yeah, so let's get on with the video. Alright. You can see here, these are my Daikon Radish plants that have sprouted and gone out of control. There's like a whole bunch of pods right now, and what I have to do now is wait for these pods to turn brownish, so then I can take the seeds out and then replant them, and hopefully I can get a lot of Daikon radishes later in the fall. At least that's what I'm planning on doing. Oh, you can see the perennials getting out of hand right now. That's the Daikon radish right there that I'm going to try to pull out, and I have a feeling it's going to be really small and it's going to be pathetically puny, but that's okay. I've never done this before, so I don't mind. This will be like a test. So I'm going to pull that out. I'm also going to, as you can see here, it's kind of hard to see with the shadows and the lighting, but there's a Korean squash plant right here. You can see the leaves, kind of. Sorry, lighting's really bad. But there is that one cute little Korean squash that I'm going to cut out first. Reason I'm cutting this one out, it's not as big as I thought it was going to be, but the thing is it's starting to form the pumpkin-like creases around. And normally when it starts doing that, the outer exterior is going to get a little bit tougher. So I want to cut that out right now and just see what it's actually like. So with some scissors, I'm going to cut this off, but I got to be careful not to actually cut the other part of the vine. I don't know if you can see that. My camera angles are top tier. So I want to cut right here, but I got to be careful not to cut that part right there. So alright. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that. It's going to be a really cool squash. And I will put that right there. Yay, my first one of the year. That's so awesome. Next one we're going to get is hiding in this jungle. If you guys recall, it had a very weird coloring to it. I'm going to call it my Albino Korean squash. It might not actually be good quality, so I want to see if I can try and get that one right now, so that if it actually is a bad one, that all the nutrients aren't going to just that and going to the other potential Korean squashes. Oh my god, it is a jungle in here, guys. I don't know if you can see that, but look at that. It's like white. It's really weird. Maybe it's just not getting enough sunlight. But I know one thing for sure. I do not want to waste any more resources on this if it's not going to be good. No, spider! Get away! I hate spiders. Sorry, guys. Okay. Alright, there we go. cut that one up. Oh shit, my scissors. Shoot, my scissors. Pardon my French, guys. Whoa. Yeah, weird. This one is completely like white. Feels exactly the same as the other one, just a different color. But I didn't want to take a chance if it was a bad quality one. So got 2 squashes today. Yay. You can see this one is growing pretty well right now, so it's a little, the leaves are a little limp at the moment. It's super hot out. It's like 90 something. But we go here. Oh, look at these leaves. They look so sad right now. They look really sad. We got one right there that's growing. It's about 2 inches. 3 inches maybe in diameter. There's another one. That one's not looking good. It's actually yellow right now. And we got another baby one right here. That's the color ideally you'd want for a Korean squash. I mean, this one literally looks like it's an onion. Alright. So, maybe I'm overwatering them too. I think I need to balance that out. Any advice, guys? I will gladly take that. Let's take a look here. Anything forming? Okay, nothing here right now. Oh, this one's definitely growing pretty well. You can see the shape of it. Okay. Yeah. No veggies coming out of this one yet, but I definitely expect that to do pretty well later in the summertime. Don't know if you can see that. That green onion going a little out of control. I should probably cut that and use it for some like scrambled eggs or something. Alright guys, so final thing we're going to do, we are going to pull that radish out and laugh when it is super small and puny. A rhubarb, a little tired. Yeah, I'll go pick some more rhubarb next year. That was pretty cool though to do. It was nice of our neighbors to leave it there for us. I had no clue what it was for like 4 or 5 years. Alright. Guys, let's go pick this turnip up, this Daikon Radish. Pull a Princess Peach. Ooh, that's really pretty. That is Isaac's, so my boyfriend's mother. She planted that here while she was staying with us. They look really beautiful right now. Okay. More to come, I hope. Alright, where's my Daikon Radish? Here we go. Are you guys gonna laugh with me when it's super puny and small? Okay, I'm ready to pull it out. What? Are you kidding? Okay, that's like 2 or 3 inches, 4 inches tall at the most. That's a really cute Daikon Radish. But it's been staying there for a very long time. I'm just surprised it hasn't grown any bigger. It's probably been in that soil for about 2 months. Possibly, I don't think I'm doing this correctly. But that's alright. Not bad for a first try. I don't know what the heck I'm going to do with this. But, yeah, definitely not going to be enough to make a stewed kimchi radish soup or anything like that. Or just kimchi radish. That is really small. So let me just put that down. You can see how small that is. Here's my hand. So it's as tall as my thumb. It's as long as the length of my thumb. Huge mistake there. Darn. Oh well. Lesson learned. Hopefully it'll be better next time. If you enjoyed this video, please send a like. If you have any advice for this newbie gardener, please give me as much help as possible. I need it. Anyway, this is what we get. Cute little daikon and 2 Korean squashes. One looking like an onion, other one not. We'll see how these work out. I'm gonna probably cook these up, and you can see what I cook up later on. Okay. Anyway, thanks for watching. Peace out.